1.
Hi, and welcome to Chicken Breeds, and today we'll be reading Pluto. Not a planet, not a problem. Nice Pluto color.
Time to look at pages.
Nice to meet you. The name is Pluto. I'm a proud, playful, popular gnome planet. Think of me like a lovely family pet. Think of me like a loyal friend. Don't just think of me as a boring old planet. Planet scam it, I say. Our solar system has 8 planets. Mercury, the fast one. Venus, the hot one. Mars, the red one. Jupiter, the big one. Uranus, the sideways one. Neptune, the last one. Earth, the one with ice cream and books. And then there's me, the tiny, adorable one. I'm not a planet. We were all born more than 4.5 billion years ago. Basically, we're from the same litter. I love my planet-filled family, but I never felt like one of them. Me, smaller, special, the runt. Me, smaller than Mercury. Even smaller than Earth's moon. Mercury, 3,032 miles across. Moon, 2,159 miles across. Pluto, 1,476 miles across. Yep. The moon's twice as big as Pluto. Like Earth, Mars, and the others, I spin about my center. Pluto, 6.4 Earth days. One Pluto day is 6.4 Earth days. I also spin with Charon, my largest moon. We're playmates, circling each other. At least 4 other moons are part of my pack, too. Styx and Nix, Carbos, and Hydra. I'm a pokey little non-planet, 248 Earth years to trot around the sun. My orbit is unique, not very planet-like. It's tilted. Like, what? What is that? I'm round in a very popular fetching in our solar system. And check this out. I have a heart. This spot is called the Tomball Regio. It's a humongous area of flat ice surrounded by mountains of ice. I'm frozen but friendly. My average temperature is negative 387 degrees Fahrenheit. To find me, you have to back up. Back way up. If Earth were 1 step away from the sun, I'd be 39 steps away from the sun. But ancient Earthlings gazed at the night skies, but could never spot me, no matter how much I howled or yelped. Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, and Saturn can be seen with the naked eye. That means without a telescope, and I without underwear. And then, more than 2,040 years ago, in 1781 to be exact, humans used a telescope to discover Uranus. And 65 years later, in 1846 to be exact, they glimpsed Neptune. I had to wait and wait. I was getting dog-tired. Until best day ever, February 18, 1930. Years of search at new planet to solar system. Cutest planet discovered. I was no longer stray. To talk about puppy love, Earthlings adored me. They declared me as the 9th planet. An 11-year-old girl from England suggested my name. I was doggone excited to be added to the family portrait. Over the years, humans set out to know me better. They used telescopes to snap pictures. Oh, hello, Hubble. That's a good one. And they eventually sent a spacecraft to do a flyby. It took 9.5 years to reach me. Hello, New Horizons. That's a really good one. Scientists needed 76 years to realize I wasn't like the original 8 planets. They made official rules. A planet must orbit the sun, be around, clear the neighborhood. Clear the neighborhood. This means being big enough to scare away all the objects in my path around the sky. Sun, but I'm too friendly, and I don't mind sharing my space. Astronomers came up with a new breed. Dwarf planets. And I wasn't alone. Aries and Coelites were named dwarf planets too. Years later, Mackie and Haumea joined us. Someday, I bet there will be even more of us non-planets. So remember, the name is Pluto. And I'm not a planet. That's not a problem. Pause the video if you want to read this. Like and subscribe, and if that doesn't convince you, my new pet rock will like and subscribe. Rick.